In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bookmark folders in Google Chrome. If your bookmarks bar has gotten a little crowded, this quick walkthrough will help you tidy things up and find what you need faster every time you open your browser. Start by looking at your bookmarks bar at the top of Chrome. This is the row of shortcuts that sits just beneath the address bar. To get things organized, right-click on any empty space in that bar or on an existing bookmark. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. This opens a small quick access menu designed for simple bookmark actions. From that menu, click on Add Folder. The moment you choose that option, Chrome opens a small window asking for two things: a name for your folder and a location where it should live. This is Chrome's way of confirming exactly what you want to call your new folder and where it should appear. Type in a folder name that's clear and memorable for you. Think in categories that match how you browse. For example, work, research, shopping, or travel. Anything that helps you recognize the contents at a glance. Next, make sure the location is set to Bookmarks bar. Selecting the Bookmarks bar ensures your new folder shows up right at the top of your browser, within easy reach whenever you open a new tab. When that looks good, click Save. You'll see your new folder appear immediately on the bar. Now it's time to clean things up. Click and drag any of your existing bookmarks directly into the new folder. As you drag a link, you'll see the folder highlight to show it's ready to accept the bookmark. Drop it in, and it's filed away. Move as many links as you like. This is the fastest way to declutter in seconds without deleting anything. Your bookmarks are still there, just neatly grouped and out of the way until you need them. With that, you've created a simple, effective folder right on the bookmarks bar and moved your links into it. The result is a cleaner, more focused workspace that makes everyday browsing feel smoother. You didn't change your habits, you just streamlined the tools you already use. That's all it takes. Open the quick access menu, add a folder, give it a clear name, save it to the bookmarks bar, and drag your links inside. A clean bookmarks bar in seconds. You're all set. Done.